Introducing the Dual, the best way to enjoy both concentrate and your favorite herb. Available in 7 different colors, the Dual has the right fit for you. The Dual comes with 7 pieces. First is the silicone lid, used to seal the top of the Dual. Next is the concentrate jar, which holds your favorite wax or resin. The dry herb container is the glass tube used to store your favorite herb. Next is the quartz straw, which is intended for concentrate. For dry herb use, the Dual contains our chillum for the best smoking experience. Following that is the silicone body, which holds all of the tools within. And lastly is the packing tool. To use herbs, start by taking off the lid and removing the herb container. Now fill the container with the herb of your choice. When finished, return the herb container to the Dual. Next, remove the chillum and pack the bowl by pushing it into the herb container. Lastly, light the bowl and inhale in. To use the concentrate, start by removing the concentrate jar from the bottom. Then, using the packing tool, fill the container with your wax or resin of choice. Next, grab the quartz straw from the Dual and heat the torch to a temperature of your choosing. Finally, place the tip of the straw on top of your concentrate and inhale in. To clean the outside of the silicone, use a piece of tape to wipe away any dust or dirt. To clean the quartz straw, chillum, or packing tool, start by placing them in a bag of isopropyl alcohol. Now shake the bag and allow to soak for an hour. When finished, rinse with water and allow to air dry. In case of lost or broken tools, the quartz straw, chillum, and packing tool are all available online or at your local retailer. Dual by White Rhino. Buy the Dual now and improve your smoking experience at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.